So how to enter prompts in Dawn AI app. So here you can generate AI avatars and you can write something vampire. But that's a bit boring, and that's why you have more than 500 characters. So you can challenge this AI model and then so here you can just enter whatever you want, and then you can just additional prompts to have better idea what you like. So teacher so something, I'm just entering some a bit of like bullshit, but like whatever. So yeah, let's see how that works. And then yeah, I can just see what it will generate. So the idea is that I want to generate as a teacher a Van Gogh image and with a beard based on my current AI model. So you can see there is beard. It's like a teacher, and I don't know, it's not similar to yeah, to Van Gogh image. Probably that that wasn't so beard is working nice. And then yeah, you can just see this prompt. But if you want to generate new images, yeah, and then make sure to save. If you so then you can just change it, like let's say impressionist. And then you can just enter car or no, like whatever. Let's see how it works. So you can just play with it. This app also has another tab where you can just generate general images, just some like landscapes and all of that. But of course, and there you can use this approach with many prompts. You can generate so many of those. Okay, so as you can see, car didn't work out. So impressionist, so that's basically, wow, that's pretty interesting. So Dan is just adding this kind of 19th century vibe, I guess, to this image. It's like pretty cool. So yeah, this was just a quick tutorial how you can use all the different prompts.